Hello, my name is Mikel Larrayoz. I'm the responsible of the FRENKIT's quality department.
Hello, my name is Andrés and I'm co-CEO of FRENKIT. FRENKIT is a company based in Puente la Reina. We are a specialist in brake components of the aftermarket automotive sector.
The brake and its components are a key element in the safety of the vehicle. That is why the quality department has been crucial to FRENKIT's success from its foundation, more than 20 years ago.
FRENKIT is not only quality. However, without quality, FRENKIT could not exist.
We have implemented controls and audit system for each component of the kits that we manufacture, according to the technical specifications.
Having a catalog of more than 8,000 references is essential to control each of the batches and manage their traceability properly.
We adapt the laboratory tests to the different components. We develop aging tests for most of the components to examine their behavior in functional conditions. Our deep expertise in this product category gives us the know-how to assure the brake perfect functionality.
In terms of the technical department, all of our designs start from the OEM. Sometimes we are even able to improve the OEM performance. We serve on more than 50 countries. We have a large stock of finished products to speed up as much as possible the preparation of customers' orders. We consider ourselves a young and agile company that has the customer at the center of the organization. Quality for us, it's also in the technical departments and their designs, in the quality control, in the service to our clients, and this will lead FRENKIT on the years to come.